Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to name and rename a file in Google Docs. So let's begin our video. So guys, if you want to rename your Google Doc file, what you need to do? Here you can see I simply open my Google Doc file, and here you can see I've already edited this file and I want to download this. So that's why I need to set a name or rename it. So if you want to set this file name or rename, you just need to click there. You can see there have a doc icon, and beside this a doc icon there have a option Google Docs. You just need to press here inside this box, and right now there have an option for change it. My file, here you can see I set this file name my file, and then right now you can download it. So this is the way for change your Google Doc file name or rename option. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.